Around 50 Chinese companies, including Huawei, ZTE and Xiaomi, are present at the annual Mobile World Congress, which opened its doors in Barcelona on Monday. According to the market research company Counterpoint Research, 7 out of the top 10 smartphone brands most popular in Europe are based in China, and the Chinese manufacturers present at the MWC appear determined to bring this figure higher. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced the cancellation of the MWC and last year's event had to be scaled down. This year, however, the Congress is back with a bang and the participants are again able to reconnect face-to-face.
At Xiaomi, we have a huge breadth of product, everything from a cyber dog to our connected ecosystem of AIoT products, and also our other brand, Poco. We're launching 2 brand new products here today.
We bring 4 solutions. First one is enhanced network. Second one is beyond connectivity. And third one, we are talking about sustainable growth, green solutions and network security. And the fourth one is embracing the future. We bring a lot of new technology coming to Barcelona.
The event also serves to showcase the city of Barcelona and the Catalan region of Spain. Representatives of the Catalan regional government explain that they are working hard to attract Chinese companies and investments to the region.
Como estamos viendo que especialmente en temas de innovación y de alta tecnología, China se está convirtiendo en uno de los referentes y de los líderes mundiales, lo que estamos haciendo es ayudar a estas empresas a conectar con el ecosistema tecnológico catalán,